This is how to play Holy Forever by cece Winans. The original key of the song is the key of F, which is this key. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of C sharp, which is this key. Okay, without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing it to you guys just a little bit so that you can remember it, and then I'll break it down after. I'm not gonna sing it with the lyrics because I might get a copyright strike. I'm just going to hum it, okay? So it says on the key of C sharp, na 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 ni, ni. Na 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 na. That's our first part. Our second part says na 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 na. That's our second part. Our third part says na 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 na. Okay, I believe you can remember it, so let's break it down. It starts right on this chord. Okay, it starts right here. This is our first chord. Okay, it's our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. It is also known as C sharp major, but it's not a root chord, it's a second inversion. Okay, it's C sharp major second inversion, it's our number 1. Okay, so from this chord, it goes to 4 second inversion, which is this chord. Our number 4. Okay, this is also known as F sharp major second inversion. It's our number 4 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. Okay, I said it's 1. From 1, you go to 4, and then you go back to 1. And then from here, it goes to 6, which is this chord. Okay, it's very simple to play 6 when you are holding your C sharp major second inversion. You just move a tone higher on your thumb. You skip A. Okay, you skip this note, you play A sharp. Okay, it gives you number 6, which is A sharp minor chord. Okay, A sharp minor chord, it's our number 6. From 6, it goes to 5, which is this chord. Okay, also known as G sharp major. From 5, it goes to 4, which is this chord. Okay, F sharp major root chord. Our number 5 is a G sharp. Okay, it's a G sharp major. Our number 4 is a F sharp major chord. Okay, let me do it again one last time. I said it's 1, and then 4, 1, 6, 5, 4. Let's sing it. Na 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 na. We are done with our first part. We're going to introduce the bass on our first part. Okay, when you play your first chord on the right, on the left you go to 1. Okay, when you go to number 4 on the right, on the left you also go to 4. When you go back to 1 on the right, on the left you also go to 1. When you go to 6 on the right, on the left you also go to 6. When you go to 5 on the left, it's 5. When you go to 4 on the left, it's 4. It's quite simple, right? Let's repeat it again one last time. 1, 4, 1, 6, 5, 4. Let's go to our second part. Our second part starts right on this chord. This is our number 4. Remember, we played it up here. I said it's number 4, but it's a second inversion. It's not a root chord. Okay, it's our number 4, but it's a second inversion, also known as F sharp major second inversion. Okay, so it starts here. Our second part starts here. From 4, you go to 6. This is also our number 6, but it's a second inversion. Okay, remember I said this one is 6, but it's a root chord. It's not an inversion, it's a root chord. This one is our number 6, and it's a second inversion. Okay, from 4, you go to 6, and then you go to 5, second inversion. Remember, we played 5 here. This 5 is our root chord. Okay, this one is a second inversion. Okay, from 4 you go to 6 and then 5. From 5 you go back to 6, back to 5, and then 4. This is what it says. Your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above them all. It's quite simple, right? So we're gonna introduce the bass on our second part. Okay? When you play 4 on the right, on the left you also go to 4. When you go to 6, it's 6, and then 5. And then when you go back to 6, on the left you go to 6, and then 5, and then 4. You wanna repeat this 2 times? All thrones and dominions, all powers, and na 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 na. It's quite easy, right? So let's combine our first part and our second part before you can move to the third part. Okay? Our first part, I said it's 1, and then 4, 1, 6, 5, 4. And then second part, it's 4, second inversion, 6, 5, back to 6, 5, 4. You play this 2 times, 4, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4. And then we go to the third part where it says na 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 na. Okay, our third part also starts here on this chord on our number 4, and then from 4 it also goes to 6, and then to 5, and then from 5 it goes to 1. Okay, this is our number 1. It's C sharp major root chord. Okay, so number 1. From 1 it goes to 6, second inversion. Let's do it again. It's 4, na 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 na, 4, na 6, 5, na 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 na, 1, na 6, sorry, na 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 na, 1, na na 6. Okay, so let's introduce the bass on that part. It's na 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 na, 4, na 5, sorry, 6, 5, na 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 na. When you go to 1 on the right, on the left you go to 3. You don't go to 1. Okay, you go to 3. One last time. Na 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 na, 4, na 6, 5, na 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 na, 1. On the left you play 3. Okay, na na na, 6. Okay, and then it goes to you are lifted up. Okay, when it goes there, on the right you go to, you play this chord. Okay, you play this chord. This is our number 2 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as D sharp minor chord. Okay, but it's a second inversion. Okay, it's D sharp minor, second inversion. You are lifted up. From 2 you go to 1, second inversion. From 1 you go to 5. From 5 you go back to 1. Let's do it again one last time. Na 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 na, 2, na 1, 5, na 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 na, 1. Okay, so on the left when you play 2, on the left you also go to 2. Na 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 you play 2. When you go to 1, on the right, on the left, you go to 4. Okay? And then when you go to 5, on the left, you also go to 5. When you go to 1, on the left, you also go to 1. I'm gonna play it one last time. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, so let's play all the parts. Okay, starting with the first part. 1, 2, and na 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 na. Sorry. Na 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 na. Again. Na 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 ni ne. Na 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 na. Second part. Na 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 na. Again. Na 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 na. Okay?